MapThat has two printing tools. These are available from the Print Tools menu, whereby we could print to scale. This allows us to print new print jobs using a particular paper size, template and scale option. And also a print to PDF, which will print as you see within the map at the current scale. Firstly, let's choose a bookmark to load some data. So we're going to find the planning applications within Liverpool. If this is what we want to print very quickly, we can use the print tool, print to PDF option. We can give our print a name such as Liverpool Planning Apps and press print. MapThat will then open up the print to PDF window where we have a standard template using your logo, the details of the person logged in and the date of the print, as well as things such as the scale of the map, the eastings and northings of the centre of the screen, the title that we passed in, and also the style or the legend of any layer that we open within the map window. The great thing about the new print to PDF tool in MapThat version 4 and onwards is we can also drag the map around as well as zoom in or zoom out to fit more information on our print before we print it. Top right hand corner, if we want to print this now to PDF, we press print map. That will open up a print dialog within your browser. If we press save, we can then give that a name. I'm going to call it Dynamic Maps 2. It's going to save it as a PDF file in any location. Press save and there's our PDF created. To go back to MapThat now, in the top right hand corner, press close print preview and you're back working within MapThat.